Welcome back to Indus Technologies with one more interesting video in which I will show you how to create PDF for this Excel file, how we can save this Excel file as a PDF. So this is a demo file that I have created. These are demo entries. These are not real entries. I have created some demo entries. Now I want to save this in PDF format. So you have to do nothing. You have to go to File. Then you have to go to Export. Here it is Export. Then you have to choose this Create PDF XPS document. So Create PDF or XPS document. So I will click on this. Now it prompts where you want to save this file. I want to save this file on desktop. You can save it at any place. So here I will give a file name as demo. Then I will publish. This is my PDF file. This is my PDF file. Now there is one problem that occurs here, that our table is stored like this. We will store it properly. We will fit it on one page first. So for that problem we have to go to print options first, file, you have to go to print, then you have to go here, no scaling here, so you have to click on here, and we have to do fit all columns on one page. So you can see all columns are fitted on one page. Then it is up to you where you want to, if you want to reduce the margin from this side, you can reduce it, but you can reduce it manually. Okay, so for now I will save it like this. I will go to back, I will go to export, then create PDF again. Then I will replace that file on desktop, this demo, or either you will replace or I will create a new file. So I will replace this. I will double click on demo. It prompts me that demo already exists. Do you want to replace? Yes. Now you can see this is our new file which contains all entries. So we have created a PDF for our Excel file. There is one more question. If there are multiple sheets, suppose this is sheet 1 and if there is sheet 2, if we want to create a PDF for both sheets, suppose this is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2. On sheet 2 I will write something. I will merge and center. I will write here, this is sheet 2. I will bold it, make it bigger. So we are having two sheets. Now I want to create a PDF which contains both these two sheets. So I have to click on first sheet 1. Now press Control. Hold the Control key on keyboard and click on sheet 2, so that both of these sheets are selected. Now you can do this. You can go to File. First I will go to the print option. Here I will do one thing. I will go to second page. This is first page. So I will scroll. From here you can scroll. So if I will scroll, then I come to know what is the status of sheet 2. For this sheet 2 I will do same thing. I will fit all rows. I will actually do this fit sheet on one page because there are no rows and columns. There is only this text here. So I will, it depends on you what you want to do, fit all columns on one page or fit sheet on one page. So whole sheet will come on one page. It is up to you what you want to do. I will go back. I will go to File, Export, Create PDF. Remember I have selected both of these sheets. Then I am doing the same thing. So I will do here demo 2, save it on desktop and publish. This is my demo 2 file which is in PDF format. You can see this is the first page and this is second page. If you have multiple number of sheets, you can create a PDF for that also. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Indus Technologies.